I am Lindsay Malina, the Product Manager for Vortex Flow Meters with Emerson. I will be going through how to prepare for installation for a Rosemount Vortex Flow Meter. The first step in preparing for installation is to read the Quick Start Guide which comes attached to the meter. This is where you will find the necessary instructions and best practices for installation. There are specific manuals for the communication protocol that was chosen during configuration. Make sure the manual you are referencing is correct for your meter. Some of the most important sections of the manual include safety messages, commissioning, meter body installation tasks, and electronics considerations. After reviewing the manual, collect the necessary tools. This includes wrenches to tighten the bolts, Allen wrenches, a screwdriver, and enough nuts and bolts for your flange type, and power and communication cables. These tools are not included with your flow meter unless ordered separately. Next, gather the equipment you received from Emerson, which includes the meter body and the transmitter. Lastly, make sure to wear the proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, during installation. Now you are ready to install your flow meter. If you still have questions after referencing the manual, please contact your local Emerson representative.